How to enable video assistant on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable video assistant on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and here you will find test three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings and scroll down. Here you will find useful features and now all you need to do here you will find it video assistant. Now just if you want to enable it, click on it one click, and as you see video assistant have been enabled. Now go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.